If your Leyland Cypress privacy screen is starting to look thinner than expected, or you're worried it may never become the dense green wall you were hoping for, there are a few mistakes that could be holding it back right now. What's surprising is that some of the most common care practices actually encourage sparse growth instead of thick coverage. In this video, you'll learn 7 proven tips backed by real horticultural principles that help build a fuller, healthier privacy screen for years to come. When gardeners talk about Leyland Cypress, the conversation usually focuses on how fast these trees grow. What gets overlooked is that fast growth and dense growth are not the same thing. A tree can gain height quickly while still developing thin areas that eventually compromise privacy. One of the biggest reasons this happens is poor planning during planting. Many homeowners place trees too close together because they want an immediate screen. At first, the planting looks full and impressive. A few years later, the trees begin competing for sunlight, water, and root space. Instead of creating a stronger barrier, overcrowding often produces weaker growth and increases stress. Watering mistakes are another major factor. Newly planted Leyland Cypress need consistent moisture while their root systems establish. However, constantly wet soil can be just as damaging as drought. These trees prefer moisture balance with good drainage. When roots struggle, the foliage is often the first place the problem appears. There's also a common pruning mistake that many gardeners don't realize they're making. A single cut at the wrong time can affect how dense the tree becomes for years. In a moment, you'll see why the structure of Leyland Cypress is largely determined long before any visible gaps appear, and why understanding that process changes everything about how you care for these trees. To understand how to create a dense privacy screen, it helps to know how a Leyland Cypress actually grows. Unlike many broadleaf shrubs that readily regenerate from older wood, Leyland Cypress depends heavily on healthy green foliage to produce the energy needed for new growth. That energy comes from photosynthesis, and the more sunlight reaches the outer canopy, the more vigorously the tree can grow. Research on conifers has consistently shown that healthy root systems and adequate light are closely tied to foliage density. When trees are planted in locations where they receive full sun for most of the day, they typically produce stronger branching and fuller coverage. In contrast, shaded sections often become thinner over time because the tree naturally directs resources toward areas receiving more light. This is why the first care tip is choosing and maintaining the right growing conditions. Dense screens begin with adequate sunlight and well-drained soil. The second tip is proper spacing. Giving each tree enough room may look less impressive during the first few years, but it allows branches to develop fully instead of competing with neighboring trees. What surprises many gardeners is that the next factor affecting density isn't sunlight or spacing at all. It's a maintenance practice that seems helpful on the surface, but often creates the very gaps homeowners are trying to avoid. That maintenance practice is pruning, and it is often the difference between a thick, attractive privacy screen and one that gradually becomes patchy. Many gardeners assume that cutting back large amounts of growth will automatically make a Leyland Cypress bushier. In reality, timing and technique matter far more than the amount removed. The third care tip is to prune lightly and consistently rather than waiting for major corrective cuts. Small annual trims encourage the development of side shoots and help maintain a dense outer canopy. When trees are neglected for years and then heavily cut back, recovery can be slow, and some bare areas may never fill in as expected. The fourth tip is to protect the lower branches. One of the most common complaints about older Leyland Cypress screens is that they become thin near the bottom. This often happens because lower branches receive less sunlight or are removed unnecessarily. Those lower limbs play an important role in maintaining privacy from ground level upward. Once they decline significantly, restoring that coverage can be difficult. A useful rule followed by many experienced growers is to keep the base of the screen slightly wider than the top. This shape allows sunlight to reach more of the lower foliage, helping maintain green growth throughout the entire height of the planting. There's another issue that can quietly reduce density even when watering, spacing, and pruning are done correctly. It often begins below the soil surface, and many homeowners don't notice it until the trees start showing visible stress. That hidden issue is root stress, and it can affect the Leyland Cypress long before the foliage begins to show obvious symptoms. Healthy roots are responsible for absorbing water, nutrients, and oxygen from the soil. When those roots become stressed, the entire tree must work harder to support its canopy. The fifth care tip is to avoid soil compaction around the root zone. It's common for homeowners to walk repeatedly along the base of a privacy screen, store materials nearby, or drive equipment close to the trees. Over time, compacted soil contains fewer air pockets, making it harder for roots to function efficiently. Research has shown that roots need oxygen just as much as they need water. The sixth tip is to mulch correctly. A layer of organic mulch helps moderate soil temperatures, conserve moisture, and reduce competition from weeds and tough grass. However, mulch should never be piled directly against the trunk. Excessive mulch around the base can trap moisture and create conditions that encourage disease and bark damage. Another important consideration is watering during periods of unusual weather. Mature Leyland Cypress are more drought-tolerant than newly planted trees, but extended dry spells can still place them under significant stress. Deep, occasional watering is generally more beneficial than frequent shallow watering because it encourages roots to grow deeper into the soil. Many gardeners are surprised to learn that the final tip has less to do with fixing problems and more to do with preventing them before they ever start. And over the long term, it may be the most valuable tip of all. The seventh care tip is regular monitoring. It may sound simple, but catching small problems early often prevents major issues later. A dense privacy screen doesn't suddenly become thin overnight. In most cases, the warning signs appear months or even years before significant decline is visible. Take a close look at your trees several times during the growing season. Watch for discoloration, unusual browning, thinning foliage, damaged branches, or changes in growth patterns. Early detection gives you far more options than waiting until a large section of the screen has already been affected. It's also helpful to pay attention to annual growth. Healthy Leyland Cypress typically produce vigorous new growth when growing conditions are favorable. If growth slows dramatically, it can indicate issues related to water, soil conditions, root health, or environmental stress. One reason monitoring is so effective is that many common problems have similar early symptoms. Drought stress, poor drainage, nutrient deficiencies, and certain diseases can all begin with subtle changes in foliage appearance. Identifying those changes early allows corrective action before density is lost. When these 7 care practices work together, proper spacing, adequate sunlight, thoughtful pruning, protection of lower branches, healthy root conditions, correct mulching, and regular observation, the result is a much stronger foundation for a thick, long-lasting privacy screen. The encouraging part is that most gardeners don't need expensive products or complicated treatments to improve their results. They simply need to understand what these trees require to stay healthy year after year. And once those needs are met, the changes become easier to see than many people expect. So what kind of results should you realistically expect? The answer depends on the age of the trees, their current condition, and how long they've been growing under less than ideal conditions. A newly planted Leyland Cypress can often respond relatively quickly once it receives proper care. Established trees may take longer, especially if they have experienced years of stress. One of the first positive signs is healthier new growth. Instead of sparse shoots appearing only at branch tips, you'll often notice more uniform growth throughout the outer canopy. The foliage may also develop a richer green color when the roots have access to the moisture, oxygen, and nutrients they need. Over the following growing seasons, the screen typically begins to look more consistent from tree to tree. Small gaps may become less noticeable as side branching increases and existing foliage thickens. However, it's important to keep expectations realistic. Areas that have become completely bare, particularly on older wood, may not regenerate the way many broadleaf shrubs do. Patience is especially important with privacy screens. Gardeners sometimes expect dramatic changes within a few weeks, but healthy density is built gradually. The goal is not simply rapid growth. The goal is sustainable growth that creates lasting privacy without sacrificing the health of the trees. Understanding this difference helps explain why some Leyland Cypress screens remain attractive for decades, while others begin struggling much earlier. And that brings us to the most important takeaway every homeowner should remember. A dense Leyland Cypress privacy screen is not created by luck, and it is not created by growth rate alone. It is a result of consistent care that supports the tree's natural growth habits from the very beginning. The healthiest screens are usually maintained by gardeners who focus on prevention rather than correction. If there's one lesson to take away, it's that small decisions made early have a lasting impact. Proper spacing prevents future competition. Adequate sunlight supports strong branching. Careful pruning preserves density. Healthy soil conditions protect the root system that supports every part of the tree above ground. Just as importantly, regular observation allows you to catch problems before they become expensive or difficult to solve. A few minutes spent inspecting your trees throughout the year can save years of frustration later. Leyland Cypress remains one of the most effective privacy trees available for homeowners in the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom. When its basic needs are met, it can provide a beautiful living screen that adds privacy, reduces visual distractions, and enhances the overall landscape for many years. Thank you for spending these few minutes with me. If you're growing Leyland Cypress in your own garden, take a look at your trees today and see which of these 7 tips could make the biggest difference. Sometimes the path to a thicker, healthier privacy screen starts with one small adjustment that pays off for years to come.